Hi and welcome to this video abstract of our paper, Slip Sliding Away, where we reviewed literature on the constraining qualities of PowerPoint. This paper has been published by Business and Professional Communication Quarterly, and we had two aims in this paper. One was to structure the literature on PowerPoint in three phases, and the other one was to identify 18 constraining qualities. The first one, the organization of the discourse, you can see here. The discourse on the constraining qualities of PowerPoint started in non-academic outlets in 1998, and we have allocated into three phases: early criticism, heated debate, and scientific takeoff. And as you can see here, the discourse developed from non-academic outlets in 2005 and 2006 over to academic outlets. The size of the circles represent the number of citations. In general, we only include literature that has more than 20 citations, and the color of the circles represent whether they have used theoretical concepts or not. So we are here right now, and we think it's time to bring those different efforts together from different researchers on the constraining qualities of PowerPoint, especially in the last 8 to 10 years. And we read 116 articles, and we actually came down to 18 constraining qualities, which we allocated into cognitive, emotional, and social. And you find a thorough description of each of the constraining qualities in the paper. For now, I'm going to be focusing on the sequencing aspect of PowerPoint. With sequencing, we are referring to the fact that a presenter has to allocate the knowledge or the information on different slides, while the audience only sees one slide at a time, and they have to remember what was on slides 1, 2, 3, and they have to remember what was presented before and connect it to what they see right now, which is very hard, so it's difficult for the audience to understand context and to evaluate relationship. At the same time, for the presenter, you have a lack of flexibility, and you have a lack of deviation from your preconceived plan. So here you can see with one example how a constraining quality looks like. And in terms of implications, our aim was not to ban or bash PowerPoint, but it was to understand the limitations of the tool so that we can use it more effectively, and we can add or replace it through more appropriate tools when necessary. PowerPoint is not bad per se. PowerPoint is very useful if it comes to one-way communication. For example, if you present to a large audience or you present the results of an analysis. But otherwise, if you want to have interaction and discussion, you might want to use sketching or flip chart instead. Or if you have complex information, you might want to use a written report in addition or instead. Here are two strategies, and there are more in the discussion section of the paper, how to overcome those constraining qualities. So in terms of fragmenting and abbreviating knowledge, you want to provide additional learning material like a knowledge map that shows you the larger context of the presentation slides that your audience can relate to. Or if you want to get away from this constraining quality of visualizing and sitting in the dark, you might want to use other tools instead or in addition, just like physical posters, sketching, post-its, templates, or cards. Finally, I hope I could have shown you the discourse that is allocated into three phases and only lately has been based on theoretical concepts. You have seen the classification that gives hopefully guidance to teachers, instructors, students, and any practitioners using PowerPoint. And you get a vocabulary of the constraining qualities, especially for researchers to develop survey scales, codebooks, and observation schemas. Well, thanks for your attention. This paper has been written by our team at the Institute for Media and Communication Management at the University of St. Gallen. My name is Sebastian Kernbach, and feel free to use our citation APA style here of the paper, or feel free to go to the link of the article. And if you want to get in touch, feel free to email me or visit our website visualcollaborationlab.org. Thank you very much. Have a great day.